good. So I'm sitting here minding my own business. This cat comes walking up trying to drink my milk. Hey, stay out of my milk. I love you, kitty cat, but you can't drink my milk because I don't know why. You just can't. I'll give you some later. How does that sound? That sound cool? Okay. Milk does a body good. Man, this cat's relentless. But anyway, I'm sitting here eating my after work snack, as I call it. And today's after work snack is not taquitos. It's actually oatmeal. And I like butter in my oatmeal. Does anyone else like butter in their oatmeal, or does that gross you out? So, you know, I'm from Indiana. We eat a lot of oatmeal up here, and the South kind of goes with grits, which I like grits too. I love grits. I probably like them better, but I do know that butter is good in both. I like mixing it up in there, and it's yummy. Probably horrible for you, but you know, gotta die somehow. Might as well be happy. Cat, if you try one more time, I'm gonna give you to the neighbor. So anyway, I was sitting here eating my afternoon snack, my oatmeal, right? And it reminded me, you ever get nostalgia, or, you know, just, you remember, you know, something reminds you of something else, like from the past. Well, this reminds me of a bunch of us met for breakfast the morning of the Paul Bunyan Festival. Yeah, it was a Saturday. And my now friend, Bodie, Novice Lumberjack on YouTube, he met us there, and he actually sat right across from me, and it was me, Bodie, and correct me if I'm wrong, Bodie, if you're watching. I think it was Eric and Grant. Grant was right by me, and then Eric was right by you. And anyway, we had some great conversations. Some of those we'll never tell, I'm sure. What's said at Paul Bunyan stays at Paul Bunyan. Basically, yeah, again, the oatmeal, eating this oatmeal reminded me of that moment, that the first time that I met Bodie, and how he was telling me, you know, that they like grits down there, down more south, and we're more oatmeal up here. So anyway, it's a good little memory. We all had a great time down there. I can't wait till next year to do it again. Okay, enough about me and my ventures. Let's talk about, I feel kind of bad because I got a saw off fellow YouTuber named Mike from KNL Firewood. He's an Indiana boy, just like me, and I've been trying to get this saw off him for a while, and I finally got to go up there and get it. So anyway, I kind of wanted to show everybody this, because it's such a great example of one, because it's completely stock and it's in great shape. It's the Stihl 064 AV, and just kind of show you how good a shape this is in. And this is, I haven't even cleaned it yet, and we were using it actually. We were using it the day I was down there, and I still haven't even cleaned it. So I don't know why I haven't used it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what a great example of this saw. Look at this bar. I believe that's the originally bar that he got with the saw too. I believe so. Don't quote me on that, but I believe so. But this they could be even cleaner, you know, if I wasn't lazy. I'll show you the front. I mean, just a great example of 64. So I don't have a lot of Stihl chainsaws. A lot of people have asked about that. Obviously, I love German engineering, so it has nothing to do with like anything like that. You know, Dolmar's my guns. That's my go-tos, and you know, solo. And so yeah, but it's just that I don't have any. You know, they're expensive for some reason. I don't know why Stihl chainsaws are so expensive. It would seem like, I mean, for this old of a saw, and I apologize, I haven't researched the 64 as far as like years of production and all that, but this sucker's in great shape for what it is. You know that. It's in great shape for, heck, this is cleaner than most of the 2 or 3 year old saws I have. But this is just one saw that I've been looking for a long time, that it's kind of it's what I call a bucket list saw. Obviously you know that this is one of Stihl's finest ever. If you know anything about Stihl, this is definitely one of the finest chainsaws that they ever made. I actually wanted to get this out to show you guys. I was going to sharpen it up a little bit and maybe do a couple cuts too. I got some elm over here. I didn't sharpen the chain on this 64. It's okay, but it is out of fuel. Well, it's not out of fuel, but it's almost out of fuel. So I'm gonna put some special sauce in there, some secret sauce. See how well that pours? Love these things. Hate when you get gas on all over your chainsaw, especially a chainsaw like that that's really expensive. This has the cool filter design like the 066s did. You know.